Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see how to do sorting in Excel. I created this sample data and let's see how to do sorting in this sample data. So first click on employee code column, click on data, click the sort icon. So this window appears and you can see various columns here: sort by, sort on, order. So in sort by you can see the various columns of the data. So you can select any of them and do the sorting. So I selected employee code, sort on should be cell values, and order I have given A to Z. Click OK. So you can see the employee code is sorted from A to Z. Now click on sort and let's reverse it. Let's make it Z to A and click OK. So now the employee code is sorted from A to Z, Z to A, sorry. So now let's do sorting with a different column. Let's select designation and do sorting from A to Z. So designation is sorted from A to Z now, as you can see here. And also you can reverse this sorting. Let's make the sorting from Z to A. Click OK, and it's the data sorted from Z to A. So now let's select the sort by column as department, and click sort on. Select the sort on as cell values, and order by A to Z. So now the department is sorted by A to Z, as you can see here. Now let's sort on with a different column. Let's select salary and let's select smallest to largest. So as you can see, the smallest salary is in the top and the largest at the bottom. Now let's make it largest to smallest. So you can see the largest salary at the top and the smallest at the bottom. Now let's sort by joining date. Let's make it oldest to the newest. Sort by oldest to newest. So you can see the oldest date in the starting and the newest at the bottom. We can also give us newest to the oldest. Click OK. So newest at the top and the oldest at the bottom. Okay, now let's revert back. Let's sort it back to employee code A to Z and click OK. So it's again sorted with employee code now. And also we can add levels to this sorting. We can add one more level to this sorting. Let's click on add level. Let's select the first level of sorting is by employee name, and the second level by, let's select joining date, oldest to newest. Okay, the first level, let's change it. No, not the employee name. Let's make it department wise. First level is by department and the second level by joining date. Click OK. So as you can see here, the first level is sorted by department from A to Z, and the second level is sorted from oldest to the newest. So as you can see here, the joining date is sorted from oldest to the newest. The oldest at the top and the newest at the bottom. So also you can delete a level. So let's delete this level of joining the date. Delete that. Click OK. And there's other easy option to sort by. Select a column. Let's select department. Right click on that and sort by A to Z. So this way we can do sorting in Excel. So hope you like this. Thanks everyone. Thanks for watching.